Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this tutorial, we are going to make another HTTP callout, and this time it's going to be a post callout. And through this post callout, we will be adding new employee records into our source application. So currently I'm logged into my client application. As you can see here, I've changed some colors here. So my client application is in this blue color and my source application is the red color. Okay, so first thing is we will go back here and we will go to flows. We don't have to do any authentication, nothing like that, because we've already set up the name credential as part of our previous calls that we did. So we don't have to redo all of that. All we have to do is we will create a new flow this time, and this time we will have a screen flow again, which will ask the user to enter the employee name, the salary, all of that information, and then we will end up creating a new employee in our source application. So the first thing is I am choosing a screen flow here. So we'll go and click the create button. The first element that I'm going to add is the screen element. So I'm going to go ahead and capture the screen. Here we will go ahead and say input employee information. This is the name of the screen, and I will ask for one thing. I'm going to ask is the employee first name, and then this is a required field. Similarly, I'll drop another text field here, and this is for employee last name.